Hey, Ken, Nikki, Paul, thanks so much for being here today. It's a beautiful day out here at Stamp.
Great to be here, Steve. Thanks for having us. The site looks great with all the development activity and especially with the rerouted power lines.
Amen to that. We can't say enough great things about National Grid team. You know, you guys really delivered for us. You went above and beyond, and now we're finally in position where we can deliver low cost, high quality, and renewable energy at Stamp.
Steve, are those the plug power hydrogen spheres over there?
Yes, Plug Power is moving full steam ahead, really building North America's largest green hydrogen production facility. In fact, you can see their liquid hydrogen spheres right over there. There's over 1 million gallons capacity between those two things. And you know what? If we point and look over here, Edwards Semiconductor is the site there, building their factory of the future. And really the semiconductor supply chain is being built out here in Western New York. They've committed to over 600 high-paying jobs. You know, in fact, there's over $1 billion of private investment already committed at this site, and we've just gotten started. And both great companies, both Edwards and Plug, in the partnership with NYPA and National Grid, coming together to be able to deliver renewable, low-cost hydropower that's serviced by National Grid. You know what, Paul, Nikki, Ken, you know, since you guys are subject matter experts, you know, please introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about National Grid's great work here at Stamp.
Thanks, Steve. My name is Nikki Carlson. I'm the project manager at National Grid. For the Stamp site, we ended up retiring 13 older structures and installing 23 new monopole steel structures. The galvanized steel monopole structures hold a set of davit arms, which is holding our ACCR conductor. It's an aluminum conductor with a composite reinforced. It's the wire that actually delivers the power to Plug Power. This conductor is lightweight, strong, performs well at high temperatures without lowering expansion, which is the best choice for any manufacturing application. Now I hand it off to Paul, who'll talk about the safety and reliability for current and future customers.
Thanks, Nikki. My name is Paul Gister. I'm the regional manager for the Genesee region. The upgrade of line 112 helps economic growth in the area, especially at the Stamp site, including our new customers, Plug Power and Edwards. The conductor and structure upgrade enhances our future growth and reliability here at the Stamp site. I'm going to hand it off to Ken and Steve. They're going to talk about the relationship between GCEDC and National Grid and how it has bolstered economic growth at the Stamp site.
You know, National Grid's partnered with Stamp to deliver low-cost renewable energy to both Plug Power and now Edwards Semiconductor. So, Ken, can you explain what this line reroute means for our current and also our future customers here at our Stamp mega site?
Sure. We relocated an existing transmission line here at the Stamp site, and that relocation work allowed Stamp to open up 300 acres of land for future development so you guys can locate more companies here. In addition to that, all of the infrastructure here at Stamp, conductors, transmission towers, all of the equipment and infrastructure that's needed to serve customers is modern. It's new, it's state-of-the-art, and what it's going to do is provide the capacity to serve those customers that are locating here at Stamp and provide it in a safe and reliable manner. One of the key factors that Stamp offers to new companies locating here is the fact that it's located within the 30-mile hydro zone here in Western New York. And what that means for new companies is if they look to locate here, they have the ability to apply for low-cost renewable hydropower from the New York Power Authority, provided that they're creating jobs and adding capital investment here in Genesee County. This project shows our readiness and ability to deliver the largest infrastructure projects at Stamp.
Yeah, you know what? We've achieved this with our partners. And we're ready now for Plug Power, Edwards Semiconductor, and the projects that follow that are really going to use these pipes, these lines, and this acreage to truly build our future here in Genesee County and all across Western New York. You know, it's amazing how much we've achieved since we first started these discussions with National Grid. You know, our ambition was to really pursue that true north, which was really about creating a mega site to create next generation careers, which have created better jobs for our families and our kids.
Absolutely. You know, National Grid as the utility here in Genesee County has a responsibility. We have a responsibility to provide safe and reliable power to our customers. We have a responsibility to help with economic development. These investments that we're making, whether it's in our infrastructure or through our economic development programs, make our community stronger. And our company is only as strong as the communities that we serve, and we believe Genesee County is heading in the right direction.